Good afternoon, my name is Tom Bebo. I'm the Construction Technology Program instructor, and I teach the certificate part of construction technology. And this summer we're working with the summer STEM program, and we have some high school students working with us, and we're just introducing a lot of hands-on approach in construction technology. This summer we are working on some edge forming for concrete, so they're being introduced to how to lay out for a slab and how to backfill it and provide the subgrade and then pour the slab, and also how to finish the concrete after it's been poured. So they'll have a good introduction into concrete work, and also a lot of work with hand tools and power tools, and especially measurements, which is a very vital part of construction. And so far they're doing pretty good, and you'll see the end result of their work come the end of June.